Britta has.
Right?
So we're just.
I know, we all pulled it up and we're like, now that we have sunlight, it's really cool to see. I mean, you definitely have to mark how dangerous the conditions are. You do not want to get out on the roads. You want to make sure that you're staying inside. But from looking at the camera lens, it's incredible to see seawall and the beach covered in snow, covered in ice. Now, the best recommendations are to stay home. Not only do we have the dangerous road conditions, but now that the snow is moving out, the Arctic air is arriving. We might be done with the precipitation later today, but we are just beginning with those bitter cold temperatures. So I know it's cold right now, but it's going to get even colder. Let's take a look at exact track radar. Snow flurries still moving through. So metro area, if you wanted to see snow falling from the sky, this is your opportunity. It's already done in Katy, Fort Bend County. You have about 15 minutes to go, depending on how far west you live. Let's take a look at the northeast side. So Kingwood and Crosby, you still have snow coming down. It's not going to add up to more than what you already have on the ground, though. These are light snow showers, and that's what we're seeing around Damon and West Columbia. This is going to be crossing over 288 in about 30 minutes or so. That's a live look at the Southwest Freeway, covered in snow and ice. This event started as ice, and it transferred to snow during the overnight hours. So you have a layer of about 1/4 of an inch of ice in some locations, with a little dusting of snow to a couple inches of snow on top. So that creates some very treacherous driving conditions. We'll dry things out, and yes, we're going to see breaks of sunshine later today, but look at those temperatures in the 20s, and that's not accounting for the wind. You add in the wind and it feels considerably colder. So a wind chill warning, it's the first time I've seen in Southeast Texas, has been posted. That means to feel like temperatures could be in the teens, if not lower, throughout the entire day and through the day tomorrow. So this expires around noon tomorrow. Right now, we have temperatures generally in the teens, but it feels like 1 degree at Bush Airport, -4 in Brenham. So hypothermia and frostbite, it sets in very quickly. So I know your kids want to see the snow, but you need to make the trips out there short, and you need to make sure that they are wearing layers of clothing. I'm talking a couple tops, a coat. Make sure you have a waterproof layer as well. FutureCast model shows that snow moving out. So again, this afternoon, we'll see breaks of sunshine, temperatures cold in the 20s, and then the real cold stuff arrives overnight into tomorrow morning. So as we go into the overnight hours, we continue to drop by tomorrow morning. Right now, this computer model is saying 15 degrees at Bush Airport, but a few of these model runs have gone as low as 6 to 8 degrees. That puts us in the range for all-time record cold temperatures. The coldest we've ever had in Houston was 5 degrees. So we're facing dangerous cold temperatures for tonight through tomorrow morning. Going into tomorrow afternoon, yes, we get above freezing for about 2 hours. So that's going to be the small warm-up. Then we have another weather system arriving on Wednesday, and we're going to have a dramatic difference in temperatures on Wednesday. This is Wednesday morning. We are in the 30s north of I-10, but look at what's happening at the coast. 59 degrees in Galveston. So this is ahead of our weather system on Wednesday. With our winds turning back on shore, we're going to have that dramatic difference on Wednesday compared to what we're seeing at the coast. Here's a wide scope of what I'm talking about. Cold air over the next couple days. That's the weather story. Going into Wednesday, here's a look at that weather system. It's going to start as sleet, but it's going to cross over into rain. Our north counties could stay sleet and ice. Now, we still have what we have today on the ground by the time we get to Wednesday. So if you have rain moving through, which is going to be true for most of the metro area, it's going to wash everything away, but our northern counties could stay a frosty mess. So we'll continue to watch that closely. Again, that is coming our way for Wednesday. Today, the snow is ending over the next hour, then bitter cold temperatures set in. Tonight's the coldest night out of the bunch, but we do have a second hard freeze Thursday night into Friday morning. The real warm-up does not come until Friday, but Anavid, this weekend, we have 60s. I've never been so happy to see 60s on the map.
I know.